Hi everyone, Rob from Holistic Healing Choices here. Now, if you're a follower of the channel, you'll remember our friends at Mindful Souls. Well, turns out that they're pretty hard to cancel. So, we have box number 2 to have a look at, take open, explore and find out what other stuff, junk, rubbish, garbage, cheap stuff that wouldn't be sold in a normal store that they can send to us this time. Okay, so we have, our box unopened, our old address with a clinic on there. Let's use our rose quartz from the first one to open this bad boy up, and here we go. Okay. Oh, keep calm and no drama, little llama sticker. You can say that's sick. And what's our little affirmation for this time? Affirmation for forgiveness. Forgiving makes me feel light and free. Excellent. Oh, hello. We've actually got a bit of a tapestry on this one, or some sort of cloth. Okay. Soothing ocean blue pillowcase is what we've got here for that one. So we've got protective tiger eye bracelet, wrapped raw clear quartz necklace, rain song essential oil. That sounds pretty interesting. Red agate circle crystal, and a blue agate slice necklace. Okay, that doesn't actually sound too bad all up. Oh, wow. Okay, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that where that is. This is only a little square one that you would put on a couch. Not a full-size pillowcase that you would use on a bed. But pretty decent sort of material. You got a little invisible style zip on it. Now what, that's okay. We could probably keep that. You know what? I am going to pop that under here, under my music stand. Yeah, we don't need the rest of that stuff as our little backdrop for the rest of the things. Okay, so here's our fragrant essential oil. That's all it says. Rain Song, just got that on there. 10 to 20 ml, clear water in a potabilizer or vaporizer. Okay, yeah. Magic, or Macy, sorry. Air Revolution fragrant essential oil. It doesn't actually say Rain Song on the thing. What does it smell like? Not bad, not bad. Not a bad little scent. Made from botanicals. Does this one? Keep out of reach of children. Not for internal use. Avoid contact with plastic or painted surfaces. Okay. Quality, beautiful, high-class fragrance, says it. Our thing number 1. Our thing number 2 is our wrapped thing. Oh, okay. So it's all just rope. So that could break apart, but that's a nice little piece of clear quartz as well. Not too bad. Pretty, yep, whatever design. And our little Hessian bags come back. Next we have our, oh, that must be our blue agate piece. That, and then it has little beads on there as well. That's not a bad little piece. If you can see there, you can, if the light catches it the right way, it does shine pretty well. That's nice. I don't mind that actually. That looks decent quality. I don't know whether it would be worth the $80 of the whole box, but. And we've got our tiger eye protection thing on a bit of elastic. And then I think last but not least, or maybe least, who knows, stuff. We have our red jasper, I think it is. Yeah, red agate circle. So we got our tiger eye, protective tiger eye bracelets. What does our Rain Song do? Lotus flowers, highly spiritual, given the symbol of lotus, plays in ancient Hindu and Buddhists. Local flowers come to epitomise spiritual reflection, meditation and tranquility. When an individual inhales a scent from lotus essential oil, the body is almost always compelled to take a deep breath. This facilitates in producing a calming and relaxing experience. In fact, it is considered a natural tonic that improves overall body function. So cool. That sounds pretty good. Oh yeah, it is. Has it got what those little beads are? Okay. Anyway, ready to make judgment. Not worth the $80. It's all nice stuff, but once again, it is just stuff in a nice fancy little box that I don't place much value in. They're cool. I'll hang them up around the clinic, do whatever, but that's about it. So thank you for joining us in opening mystery box number 2. Once again, stuffity stuff. It's okay looking stuff. It's, I really do like this blue agate bit. I don't know whether you can see through or whether that's going to, and to the legitimacy and the actual cost of all this stuff. What would this cost on the street or from a store? You might be looking around $80 for all of it together, but once again, it's not my thing. I mean, I still have little Buddha here as well from the last one. He was the only piece that I've really kept out, but other than that, that is about it. Going through the website, once I tried to quit, I couldn't find the way to get into my personal account information and actually cancel that. I could log in, but I couldn't actually get to my orders or upcoming orders or subscriptions or anything like that. It was only once they charged me and got it through that they sent an email, oh yep, here you can manage your subscriptions. So be very careful of that. So the first one cost me $40, I think it was 50% off or whatever it was. This did cost me full $80 Australian. And it's stuff that I'm not going to use. If it's useful to you, absolutely cool. Be warned that they will try and keep you there as well. So they asked me to if I wanted to postpone my subscription and a whole bunch of other things, trying to keep me as a customer. Not so much a scummy tactic, I guess it's just the way the world is now, with everything trying to keep you in, keep you buying, keep you going, so that they can keep their money rolling in. Not bad quality stuff, just not what I want. Hell, I'm going to use that. I'm going to rub some of that on my third eye, see if it does give me that spiritual release or thing as well. Because it's something that I am interested in developing, but I don't think through crystals or buying stuff or wearing it all is the way that I want to do it. But that's about it, guys. So thank you for joining me on this. Hopefully this earns me enough money to pay for this damn box, and serves as a warning too for people on how to quit. Like, I just sent them an email through their thing like, please unsubscribe. This email didn't work, didn't get any feedback from them. I should have followed it up a lot more as well, chase them down, but I just don't have time for that. And I think they're sort of banking on people not being able to do that or follow that up. Once you get your first box, if you're really curious about what it is, cool, do that, get it at a decent price, then go in, manage your subscription from the payment information to cancel or postpone or whatever. But anyway, guys, that's it from me. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe on this video. I'm Rob Murphy, and I'll see you in the next video.